Hi everyone, I'm Gloria. How are you? This week we are looking at a country called Australia. And in Australia we have some very special animals which you won't get to see in England. So I have here some very special friends with me. Do you know what is this? Oh, he's called a koala. So koalas usually are on the trees and they like eating leaves and they stay on the tree all the time and eat leaves. So he's called koala. Hello, koala. Okay, he can sit here to listen to our story for later. And do you know what this animal is called? Can jump really high. And it's got a pouch. And his baby can rest in the pouch. So this is called a kangaroo. A kangaroo. Kangaroos can jump really, really high. They have very strong legs and a long tail to help them balance. Look at the baby kangaroo in the mummy's pouch. So I've got a big mummy kangaroo here and a medium-sized kangaroo and a small kangaroo here. And where's the smallest kangaroo? The smallest kangaroo is in the big kangaroo's pouch. So big and small, big and small. Okay, the baby kangaroo can go back into the pouch of his mummy. And I've also got Winnie the Pooh there, who is dressed as an adventurer. So he's going on a trip to Australia. That's why he's dressed like that.